In this video, I'll show you how to edit collection page. So from the top menu, scroll down to the collection pages, and here you will be able to edit layout. So the header section looks exactly the same as we did customize it with the product page. So I won't go through that. You can go back to the previous video to familiarize yourself with it. And I will simply click to the collection section, and here you can choose how many items you want per row and how many rows per page. So as I've got only 2 items, it won't be really clear how the change looks like, but I can change to have 3 items per row. But okay, it doesn't change because I've got only 2 items in total. However, you can imagine it will be like 3 items per row, and then you can change if you want 6, 4 or less columns per page. So if you've got more products than that, obviously it will be that they will be placed on the second page and so on. You can enable tag filtering, so people can filter by tags. So obviously you will need to work on adding relevant tags to your products. And you can also enable collection sorting, so people can sort the items via their own system, for example, price low to high, or date added quite recently, or best selling. It is definitely useful if you've got a bigger collection and if you've got larger catalogs. That is definitely helpful for your buyers to find the relevant products quicker. You can also choose the style of the layout, so either collage or grid, so it's different display and you might like one over the other. And you can also enable image spacing to add more space between each product, and show product vendor on a collection page or not. So I'll deselect it, and okay, and let's see what else we can add it. So footer, it is exactly the same being edited as with the product page, so you can go back to the previous video, and if you like the look of your collection page, simply click save.